Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. In today's video, we are continuing down the inspiration path for the Love Notions 40% off size-wide sale. So last video, I showed you guys my tie-dye French terry willow wrap dress. Since then, I've posted 3 more makes on my blog. So what I'm gonna do is share all 3 of those makes in this vlog, and make sure you stay to the end because there is going to be a giveaway. Stay tuned. So first up, we are talking about the Rockford Raglan. I have made Rockford Raglan before for my first episode of Pinspiration Sewing right here on my YouTube channel. If you remember, it is that crazy color blocked neon and zebra mesh. That was a completely different view from what I made this time. This time I made something very suitable for the holiday season coming up. So let's talk about the Rockford Raglan pattern. Comes in sizes extra small to 5X, and as usual with Love Notions patterns, you have your full bust option. I made size large standard bust, which is my usual size for Love Notions patterns. Obviously with a raglan pattern, you know, you don't have to set in any sleeves, so it's a really quick, simple make, and there are a ton of options to choose from. We have shirts option, tunic option. There is the asymmetrical hem view, which is the one I made this time. You have the option to do a hemband, so you could go for a more flowy silhouette, or you could go for a straighter fit with the hemband. You have 3 sleeve lengths, short, 3/4 and long, with or without cuffs. I made the 3/4 sleeve with the cuff, and I shortened my sleeve by 1 inch. So like I said, I made the asymmetrical hem version, which is view C. This is actually supposed to be a tunic, but I shortened mine 3 inches because I wanted it to be a top. And what I love about this view is that the asymmetrical hem is on an overlay piece, so you have the option to do contrast, which is exactly what I did. So this black fabric is black stretch velvet, and this is actually repurposed fabric. Maybe about 2 years ago or so, I made a backdrop for a friend, and the backdrop was made from black velvet and black jersey. So I still have I had the backdrop put up nicely, and when I was cleaning to pack, I found it and I was like, this is good fabric, because it was a pretty big backdrop, so I had enough yardage that I decided to keep it, hoping that I will be able to reuse the fabrics to make garments. I didn't know it would come this soon, but that is where this black velvet came from. And then this sparkly fabric is cotton velour from Nature's Fabrics. So I actually won this for participating in #SewManPants. The only con I have about this fabric is that it really holds creases. Creases seem impossible to get out, and they seem to leave like some dark lines in between the glitter. So that's my only con. And then my only con about the black velvet is that it's picking up lint like crazy. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in on this, but it's full of lint right now. But anyway, this was a super quick and easy make, and it's really comfortable, really soft and cozy, and I will definitely be wearing this during the holiday season. So this is like my Christmas sweater. Of course, as usual, there are a ton more details on my blog. I don't want to linger too much in this video because I have to get through 3 pieces and a giveaway. So on to the next 2 pieces, which I actually turned into an outfit. So for this outfit, I was wearing head to toe Love Notions. So the top, I used the Forte top and dress pattern. This is a rust colored rayon jersey, very slippery. Not the easiest fabric to work with, but it's very comfortable and breezy to wear, especially in this silhouette. So let's talk about the Forte pattern. So the Forte pattern, I would say, has like two separate styles. There's like the scoop neck style, which is the one I made, and then there's a V-neck style as well. And with the scoop neck, you have two options. You can make a classic T style top, and then you have the gathered peplum top, which is the one that I made. And then with the V-neck, you can have gathers coming from just under the bust or more of a waterfall style, and you can make it into a top or a dress. So you have 4 body views and 2 dress views. You also have 6 sleeve options. One of the things I love about Love Notions patterns is how many options you get in one pattern. So to me, all of the patterns are really versatile pieces. So you have short sleeve with a flounce, then you have bell sleeve, then you have gathered sleeve, then you have 3 different plain sleeves. You have short, mid-length, and long. I made the plain mid-length sleeve. And the one change that I made to my Forte top, and you can probably tell right away just from looking at it, is that I shortened my waist length by 3 inches just because of the way I wanted to style this with my next piece, which I'm going to show you shortly. I really wanted you to be able to see the full skirt because I used the border print, so I needed the top to be a little bit shorter. So that is why I chopped mine off by 3 inches. Could not be happier with that decision. These two together make such a cute, fun, and flirty outfit. Absolutely love it. And it's very seasonally appropriate. Though we do not have seasons here, to me, this is my ideal fall outfit. So let's move on to the skirt I made to pair with this top. Ta-da! Again, this is not the first time I'm making this pattern. This is the Sybil Illusion skirt. You may remember I made a snake print sewing style skirt, and then I had some scraps left over, so I also made a mini pencil skirt. Well, this is the actual knee length pencil skirt to that mini pencil skirt. This one I'm going to get a lot more wear out of because it is full length. It's extremely comfortable and easy to just pull up on, haul on, and run out the door. And especially with the Forte top, such an easy and comfortable outfit. This has to be one of my favorite outfits I've made for the entire 2020. First of all, this fabric, I have no idea what this fabric is. Absolutely no idea. But it's a knit fabric. It's a pretty stable knit fabric, but at the same time, it's very stretchy, but it has really good recovery. And as you can tell, it is a border print, and I wanted to use the entire border. Luckily, this fabric was only 45 inches wide, so it was the perfect width to have the border running on a skirt from light to dark. If you wanted to make a dress, you probably run into a little bit of issues because it's actually a double border. So then the next side of the fabric is flipped this way. So you have it running down like this, the cream in the middle, and then running down like this. The look of the fabric reminds me of bandage material, but it's not as stiff in the least. So I have no idea what this fabric is. It was in the scuba section, but it's definitely not scuba. This is what the inside looks like. Maybe one of you will be able to help me and tell me what fabric this is. I have no idea, but it was just absolutely perfect for this skirt. And I love the fact that I was able to use the cream for the waistband. So even though I styled this with like this flowy Forte top, I would also like to style it with something tucked in, a little bit more fitted, so that I can show off the waistband, because I think it looks really nice when you can see the full border print. And because it has those lines going across, the way that I cut the hem, I cut it right under one of the lines, and so I actually didn't need to hem it. And because of that, I shortened it by 1 inch, because it should have a 1 inch hem. So I shortened it by 1 inch to account for the fact that I was not going to hem, and it is the perfect length. It hits right at my knee. This version of the Sybil skirt is super easy to sew. I had one pattern piece. Front and back is the same pattern piece, and it's cut on the fold, and then you measure out the waistband on your fabric itself. So I didn't need another pattern piece. I could have made one, but I just measured it out on the fabric itself, and it was really easy to do that because I had the lines to guide me. So the Sybil Illusion skirt collection is a collection of 7 different knit skirt styles. You have A-line, pencil, gourd, swing, box pleated, there's an asymmetrical hem one, and there's also a drop yoke version. So 7 different styles, 2 different lengths. You have knee length and midi length. Comes in sizes extra small to 4XL. You can add inseam pockets, and there's also an optional control panel for the waistband. I didn't need that because my fabric is pretty stable, and like I said in my last Sybil video, I love the fit on this skirt. I went with size large again, and at first the waistband looks like it's going to be absolutely tiny, but it sucks you in without squeezing, like just enough to stay up without elastic. So last time I used a scuba grip, and this time I used this mystery knit. This has to be my favorite version of all the Sybils I've made so far. So I hope of all my 4 pieces, something inspired you, and I hope you had a chance to grab some patterns in the 40% off site-wide sale. You still have some time. The sale ends on October the 9th, so that is on Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now on to my giveaway. So I'm giving away 1 Love Notions pattern of your choice to 1 lucky winner. I'm hosting the giveaway over on Instagram. IG handle is @islandsocialist. All you have to do is follow the Love Notions page. Follow me, of course. You're gonna like that giveaway post. The giveaway post is actually the post with the Sybil and Forte outfit. Can't miss it. And you're gonna comment on that post letting me know which of my 4 pieces you like the best. So the tie-dye willow, the sparkly Rockford Raglan, the rust-colored Forte, or this animal print Sybil. Let me know which piece spoke to you, which one you like the best, which one you think you would rock. Just let me know your thoughts. I have an idea of what you like. And that is it. And my giveaway will end on Friday the 9th of October at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to get your entries in before that. And that is all. And that sums up my little inspiration segments for this sale. I hope you enjoyed these videos and my blog posts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my blog, please go ahead and do so, www.islandsocialist.com. So if you feel inspired and you're planning on adding any of these pieces to your shopping list, I would really appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. I will have them linked down in the description box below. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, give me a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button on your way out. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.